Hi. The nominal and effective interest rate, one of the most challenging topics in economics and cost analysis. So I'm making this video to make a summary of this topic and give you a few examples to be able to understand the topic. So for this topic, or in this effective and nominal interest rate topic, we have three common scenarios: nominal to nominal, nominal to effective, and effective to nominal. Let's start with the first one, nominal to nominal. So first of all, we need to know that the nominal is not true interest rate, and this is used for marketing purposes, and we use it on advertising, marketing, flyers to bring more customers to the business, to the bank, to the financial institution. So if we're going to do nominal to nominal, what we have to do, we have two sub cases. The case A, bigger period to smaller period. For example, if we have 12% per year compounded quarterly, find the nominal monthly. So we're going from yearly to monthly. What I would recommend, if you're going from nominal to nominal, see this segment right here, we ignore this. We ignore it. We just ignore, we see, okay, we say that this is not important. We ignore it because this is only for the effective interest rate. We use this part to find the M in the effective interest rate. As long as you don't do effective interest rate, so ignore that, and just this will tell you that this is a nominal. This is the only purpose for it, to tell you this statement, the language that we used here, this is not an effective interest rate, it's a nominal. Okay, next. So number one, we identified that this is not effective interest rate. This is a nominal interest rate. So second, we ignore this. We delete this, and we keep thinking about what we should do. We should convert nominal per year to nominal per month. And what we should do now, from a bigger to a smaller period, what we do, we divide the interest rate, 12% divided by 12, that will give you 1%. So this is the nominal. And it's really important to have the period here, per month. Excellent. Now, the second subcase for case one is smaller period to a bigger period. Let's take a look into this example. These examples are really important because it will help you understand the topic. 1% per month, compounded quarterly. So first of all, once you read this statement, you know this is not a nominal. This is not an effective interest rate. This is a nominal interest rate. So second, you ignore this part. This is important for effective. Now we're not dealing with a nominal to effective. We're dealing nominal to nominal. So ignore this part right here. So from month to year, what we do, we multiply the percentage of 1% times 12 months, because we have 12 months in a year. That would be 12% per year, and this is again nominal, and this is per year. Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay, one case is bigger to smaller, we divide, smaller to bigger, we multiply. What we do to avoid any confusion, this statement right here, compounded in whatever monthly, weekly, quarterly, we ignore it in case nominal to nominal. We use it only if we're going to do it from effective to nominal or nominal to effective. But in case nominal to nominal, we ignore it. It's just a statement that will tell you this is not effective, this is a nominal, this is not the true interest rate, this is the nominal interest rate, the advertisement rate. So what you do, you ignore it, and you do the conversation whether from bigger period to smaller period or smaller period to a bigger period. Now, next, what we do, nominal to effective interest rate. Nominal to effective interest rate. And then in this case, what we do, we identify two parameters, R and M. R is the nominal interest rate per the required period. And M is the answer for this question, how often the interest rate is charged per that period. So, for example, Again, these examples are really important and effective, will help you to understand. So for example, 12% per year compounded weekly. So number one, when you read the question, this is nominal, okay? This is a nominal interest rate. What is the required effective monthly? So we need to find the effective monthly. So what we need to do, we need to find the R monthly and M also monthly. What we do, we ask this question. If it's the nominal per year is 12%, okay, what's the nominal per month? This is, remember, case one, we're going back to case one, nominal to nominal. So that would be equal 12% divided by 12. That would be 1% per month. Again, nominal per month. Now, for the second parameter, the M, we asked this question, how often this interest is charged per month. So we look here, compounded weekly. So in a month, we have 4 weeks. So the interest is charged 4 times in a month. 4 times in a month. And now, next, we use the effect function using Excel. We say the nominal is 1%. How often? 4 times a month. So that would give you 1.010038 per what? Per month. And this is what? This is effective interest rate. All right, now let's take another example. 0.2% per week, compounded daily, find effective yearly. So first of all, you ask, this is nominal, this is not an effective, so we need to convert it into effective. So what we do, we say R, what is the required? Per year, effective yearly. So we need to find the nominal per year, and we need to find M per year. All right, so now we have 0.2% per week. What is that equal per year? Going back to case one, nominal to nominal. So that would be equivalent to 0.2% times from week to a year. We have 52 weeks in a year. That would give you 1.04. Okay, so the nominal is 10% per year, 10.4 per year. Now, for the M, we ask ourselves this question, how often the interest rate charged in a year? And this is the segment where we need it. Compounded daily. This is the segment for M. This is equal, I'm going to put it here, equal to M. Compounded daily. Compounded daily in a year, that would be 365 day or times. Okay, now, and this is per year. Now let's find the effective using the function effective. Effect, open parentheses, we use select this cell, comma, 360, the other cell, and that would give you 10.95. 10.95 interest rate. Now the third case where we have to convert from effective to nominal. There is some people that use the equation, but there is a function here we're going to use called the nominal. Okay, so first of all, we need to identify the R and the M, and this will help us to find the nominal interest rate. So let's take an example. This will clarify how we could calculate the effective to nominal rate. Effective 12% per year. So we're going to write I effect would be 12% per year. Next, and this is compounded quarterly. Compounded quarterly. What we're trying to find? We're trying to find nominal. We need to find R per year. Okay, R per year is not given. This is what we're looking for. M per year. How often the interest rate is charged per year? 4 times, because we have 4 quarters in a year, so m is equal to 4. Now, in order to find the nominal per year, it would be nominal, open parenthesis, effective interest rate is 12%, m period is 4, and that, close the parentheses, and that would give you 11.49%. All right, so this is an easy question. Now here's one of the more challenging questions, and you need to be careful here. Okay, so now that second example would be in interest, and this is based on a question from my textbook. I effective per year is 16%. So this is 16% per year. R per year we don't know what is it, but however we're not looking for this, we're looking for the R per month. This is what we're trying to find. And now M per year, how often this interest rate charged? 4 times monthly, compounded monthly, that would be equal to 12. That means the interest rate is charged 12 times in a year. Be careful. All right, so for this example, what we need to do, we need to find the R nominal per year, and then from the year we could convert it into the monthly R. Okay, let's take an example here and move on. So what is the R, the nominal per year? That would be equivalent to nominal. The effective interest rate is 16%. How often? 12 times a year. So if the nominal rate per year is equal to 14%.93. All right, now we know the nominal per year. What we need to do, we have to convert it from nominal to nominal, which is going back to case 1. So therefore, the R nominal per month would be equal to the nominal per year divided by 12, and that would give you 0.012445. And these are the cases in the nominal and effective interest rate. I hope this is helpful. Thank you.